Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to download app without Apple ID password. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to open App Store. Enter your Apple ID password and go back. So guys, you need to open settings, scroll it down, tap on screen time, tap on content privacy restriction, tap on iTunes App Store purchase and tap on don't require, and just go back, scroll down, tap on touch ID passcode, enter your passcode, tap on turn off password autofill and go back. Now tap on your Apple ID, scroll it down, tap on media purchase, tap on password setting and tap on required password turn off. Tap on done and just go back and check your issue and get and install your app without Apple ID. Your problem will be fixed, and after doing all steps your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.